So although I'm doing a reverse balayage and I am going to use a green colour, I still want to cleanse the hair out first. So I'm just simply on dry hair taking sections and really coating the sections in a deep cleanse shampoo. I'm then going to pop it under heat for 20 minutes, and this is going to pull out that green from other areas and just give me a more even finished result. And as you can see afterwards, I have a much more even colour to work from. So when it comes to doing the reverse balayage, it's quite simple really. All you're going to be doing is coming down in a V shape, making sure that you really saturate the roots and the middle V of the hair so that it goes all the way through and you get a nice even result. Then you're simply going to come up the sides with your bleach and blend in the middle. You simply repeat this process throughout the whole head until the whole head is finished. So once you've completed all the sections, we're then going to leave this to process for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now, although then at the base and after I've shampooed, I am going to apply a green dynamics, of course you could apply a toner to the ends or any other colour that you so desired. So once I've shampooed this off, I'm then going to apply my green dynamics for 30 minutes and then you'll see the result. Now don't forget, if you've had value out of this video, to like, subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos.